The first thing you're going to need to do when you receive your remote station from uWave monitoring systems is to attach the solar panel to its kickstand. This can be done by using the given hardware and attaching it through the solar panel down through the kickstand, and making sure to securely tighten the fastener. Once you've securely fastened the solar panel, you need to make sure to connect the wires to your battery, and that comes with a wiring harness and the solar controller, as well as attaching your connection cable to the modem. And then lastly, you want to make sure that your timer has the correct time set, as well as timer controls. And to find instructions on how to set the timer, you have to go to uWave monitoring systems/resources, go to remote station setup, and click on wiring diagrams and system instructions. To install the monitoring system inside of the remote station, you will need to remove everything off of the floor of the station and remove the phone. Then you can get your geophone, and if it is into soft soil, you would need the spikes that go into the geophone, and clear away any loose ground and insert that into the ground. I will be modeling this as if it was on a hard surface like concrete. Make sure to point the arrow towards wherever you want to monitor, and add some sort of weight to the top to help make sure there is a firm connection between the geophone and the ground. Then run the wire through a slot and put the floor back into the station. We can now add all the rest of our supplies. Now that we have everything inside of the box, we can remove the insulator for the hole and get our Instantel microphone set up. So this involves using microphone stand and inserting it through the hole that we just opened up. Then these wires will get attached to the bottom of the Micromate. There's the left one for the Geo, right one for the mic. So we'll attach the right one into the mic slot and our geophone into the left slot. And then on the top of our Micromate, there will be a USB port, and that is where our modem will get attached into. The Micromate power cord will also need to be attached to the Micromate on the top right side. And then the antenna cables will need to attach to the modem. The skinny cable needs to go to the GPS port on the bottom, while the other two cables can go onto either of the other two ports. Next, we will need to plug in the power for the modem into the back of the modem unit, and then connect the battery power to the timer and the solar controller into this power block on the left side. To install your Rodent Blocker, you will need to get the geophone installed and then run the cable through the rodent blocking tube. And then run this tube through the rodent blocking screen. screen then gets inserted down below where the shelf would be. After the rodent blocker is installed, you can go ahead and put the shelf back in to the monitoring unit. And continue on with the install like normal. To set up your unit with AC power, everything is the same except you do not add the battery or plug in the Micromate using the cord on the panel. Instead, you would run in an extension cord through the same hole that your microphone pokes through as well. And then you would have a power strip that can get plugged into the extension cord. And from there, there will be a cable inside of your Micromate bag that you can plug in your Micromate to. As well as your modem will come with a cable that is used for powering it when on AC power. And you're set up for AC.